Good morning. It's going to be another glorious day. So Kona and Mocha decided to join us this morning. Hi Mocha. We are going to go make a quick trip and go to some fishing access points on the Yellowstone River. So we'll be checking those out. Know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. Count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. We're coming into Bundy Bridge fishing access. Fun fact, Lewis and Clark and that bluff over there, Lewis carved his name in there. Have to check that out one of these days. Alright, let's see what kind of access we got over here. Yeah, I really like this access spot. There's a lot of structure, cottonwoods. And over here we got, I guess that's Bundy Bridge. This is called Bundy Bridge. Bundy Bridge. Well, this can't hurt. Since I'm here, I might as well cast a line out there and see what happens. Alright, well, nothing. That's okay. Still a beautiful access point. You can't really launch a boat here. You could probably launch a little boat. I think this used to be the launch ramp at one time. So there's another fishing access spot nearby that we will probably go check out. Alright, we're coming into Voyagers West. Fishing access on the Yellowstone River just south of Pompey's Pillar. Let's see what we got out here. Okay, well they got camping here. Come on, Moke. Looks like that's where the river access is, so I am going to start walking down there. Alright, pretty cool access spot. Got the whole river here. Got miles of area to walk. Definitely, if you're thinking about launching a boat here, you want a four-wheel drive. Alright, let's make a few casts, see what happens. Alright, well, nothing. But that's okay. Got out. Glorious fall day. Today's the first day of fall. Beautiful weather. Beautiful river. This would be a good place to just chill. Want to do some bait fishing, relax. Maybe catch a catfish or two. Alright, so I'm going to head on home. Got some chores to get done. So, I only hit 2 of them today. There's plenty more actually even closer to Billings, so we'll get those on another day. This is Arbuckle's Adventures, over and out.